Today we're headed down to Ronan to go to the area chainsaw carving festival. So come along with us as we go check that out. Should be pretty interesting. Something a little bit different from the area and for the channel. There's your left-hand side. While this event was not a huge event, it does encompass one of the most important things that I think living a simple life entails, and that's a sense of family and community. For over a year, people have been isolated, staying at home due to the pandemic. And so events like this, now that things have reopened and have been reopened here in the state for quite a while, have become very important to get out, get to know your neighbors, start to reintegrate with society and do things that are really part of normal everyday living. The exciting part about this is that it gives you a chance to meet people from all over the place and introduce yourself into new things. We even had the opportunity to eat some incredible Indian tacos. So we were able to harvest our mushrooms, our blue oyster mushrooms. We still have some lion's mane growing, which we'll probably harvest tomorrow and try that as well, making a kind of a crab cake recipe with those. But tonight we decided to make a tortellini and blue oyster mushroom. So come along with us as we do some harvesting and cooking of some mushrooms. It's gotta be easier than that. Well, I'd say it was a success for our first harvest. The mushrooms themselves have got a kind of a, I don't know, they feel plasticky. They don't feel quite like you would think mushroom would feel. They certainly smell very earthy, not overpowering, but very cool.
All right, well, we finally got our blue mushrooms cooked up, and we're gonna give them our first taste. Pretty good. In a way, it tastes like got the texture and taste of calamari. So they're pretty good, actually. Pretty good. Have to grow these again. And there you have it. We have made vegan crab cakes with our lion's mane's mushroom. So something different to end the day, and have had them earlier in the week, and they are really actually delicious and something we're going to grow again. So stay tuned. If you like this type of thing, please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more.